Some days it's a struggle, and the struggle really starts in your mind. Saying you're going to do something and actually doing it are two different things, because you just don't know what the outcome will be. You don't know if it will all work out. You hope it does. You expect it to, but you just don't know. But how will you know if you don't do it? You will only know if you do. Today is your opportunity to live the dream. Today is your opportunity to call that client and get the sale. Today is your opportunity to write that book. Today is your opportunity to understand that all the fears that you've created in your mind don't exist. It's just all in your head. And you will know that when you take action. You will know that when you get the ball rolling. The momentum of your movement will overcome everything that you are challenged with. Don't allow yourself to remain stuck, because you aren't stuck. You just have not made the decision to move yet. Decide to move right now and take action towards your dream.